Alright, Pawnee Sportsman Center. Gonna be shooting the Limcat. STI built 2011. I'm ready to shoot the matches.
I think just removing that, otherwise I don't hit! Hit! If I could only remember his time, yeah, so you get all the way to where you called this. You said 44, but I don't know if I think it was 41 or something. I think it was 44 or something. I didn't think it was 44. I heard them say it, so I definitely thought it was 44.
Oh, Ellen.
Hit! 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 Hit!
Easy, big fella. Get down on your knees, big boy. Oh, fuck it. That's like a Greek dance.
Come on,
Oh, come on, big man.
Get out of there.
Finish. Big finish.
All right. Shooter understand the course of fire. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Don't you want me to load?
Oh, fuck. You got me.
Stop shooting us now. Load the gun.
I'm not doing that until the RO tells me. I'm not just sticking bullets in
come on,
guns.
load the gun up. Let's get going, buddy. It's getting hot out here. Oh, come on, big man!
Over! 33.48, unload, and high seat, clear hammer, hold time.